Hey guys, welcome to FMDRC Construction. I'm Rain, and today we're going to take a look at the new Lesu Fendt 1050 chassis. So after a bit back and forth, it turned out there's very little to save in buying the kit versus buying the actual R2R chassis, so that's what we ended up doing. So it comes in a box, pretty well packaged, and looks like this. So all you need to do, basically hook up your receiver and plug in a battery. Obviously there's some instructions on how you need to cut the Bruder cab and how to fit it, but yeah, all in all, it's ready to go. Let's start at the front. It's got a front mount, but this is just a fixed front mount. There is no lift, so this does not move up and down, it just sits there. So anything you put on here, you'll have to have an actuator to lift it up and down on its own. Wheels are all metal. Obviously there's probably Lesu truck axles in this. It's got diff locks. It's got some nice stairs and nice exhaust. A couple of lights here. It's got nice grippy tires. It's got a hitch and rear, well, it supposedly should be a 3-point hitch, but in reality it's only a 2-point hitch. There's a rod in there, goes up and down, powered by it's probably a small N20 sitting in here. Basically the hitch goes up and then the 2-point hitch goes down. So I'm going to show you a demonstration later. Inside here, there's everything's covered up. Basically, it just comes with all these extended servo wires coming out, so you gotta figure them out. You do have some labeling, and there is basically a few labeled the same because it has a light kit. Quick look at the other side. As you can see, there's a tank here. Nice staircase. And this is all metal, so it feels very solid. It doesn't move, doesn't seem flimsy at all. So generally I'd say the whole chassis feels very strong and solid. There is no slop in it, or yeah, it doesn't feel like it's gonna break. As you can see here on the bottom, it's got a nice flat bottom, so very little for it to get hooked up on anything. Should be able to run around without too much trouble. So obviously it's got forward and reverse, and the manual says you shouldn't be switching back and forth too rapidly because that's going to break your gearbox. It's also got a diff lock. Let me see if I can engage that. Yeah, you can actually see the little lever going up and down there. Rear hitch moves up and down, and as you can see, it's not very fast. So definitely you got to be patient with this, and I mean, to be honest, you've got to figure out some place to fix the 3-point. I gotta say, all in all, I'm not very impressed by the way they solved this, but it is what it is, I guess. So that's all the way up. So basically, I don't have time to wait for this, so I'm gonna speed the video up. So guys, that was it. Hope you enjoyed this preview, this little sneak peek of the Fendt chassis from Lesu, and yeah, I hope to show you guys more videos of how it actually works and give you a proper review once we've tested it a bit. If you have any questions, anything you want to know about this, let me know, and I'll try and get that in the next video. Alright, bye guys.